So we've got the engine out, we've got the superstructure off. What's going on behind us?
So right now, the guys are, there's 4 bolts that we missed when prepping the tranny and that. So right now the guys are in there. They've taken the ones off on the left-hand side. There's just the 2 on the right-hand side that are being a pain in the butt, and they're working on that. Once they get those bolts off, we get everything hooked up. We're gonna actually lift the transmission up, pull it back, turn it around inside the driver's compartment and that. Vice trying to go out through the front where it normally would go, because we've got the superstructure off. We're going to use the space that we have. We'll lift it up, pull it out. The mule will pull the tank forward again. We'll put the transmission down onto a pallet, and then we'll bring it inside. And then the next thing will be is we'll bring the chassis back inside, push it back, and then the RV will pick up the superstructure and put it inside, and pretty much our day is done.
Well, thanks for the update. Good luck with your jigsaw puzzle.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, right.
You'll have to push it over, yeah.
Winch up.
Winch up? You can rotate that.
There we go.
Yay! Just hope that holds. Hey, Ben, you might want to jump in your truck.
Yeah, let's get the tank up from under it quick.
Jump in top.
Do you want me to level it at all?
I don't think. It's one of those would have to rest at the level it.
Okay.
That come along holding it so well.
Don't jinx it.
That should be enough. Oh, that would have been fun.
I just need to make sure that we're not going down on. I'll hold there.
We'll just bring it towards it.
It's got to go on sideways. Okay, that's good there.
There we go.
that before. No, the other way. Your army down. There you go.
Can we limit out? And I think we got about at least 12 inches headroom.
We're good?
Yeah, it looks
We're good?
So try it at this height.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Right, we're in. As far as we can go.
End of the day now. Vehicle itself is completely different from when we first started. What happened today?
Today was a great day. Did a lot of work today. So as you can see in the background, we have the race ring that we pulled off first. Then we pulled off the upper superstructure that's sitting here on the floor. We also then took the engine out and the transmission out right now.
Yeah. So what are the next steps now?
So the next step is start working further inside, all the cabling, all the wiring, identify what hooks up to what, and take that off. Fuel tanks, we're looking at fuel tanks on how we get them out, if they come out through the bottom of that. As well, prep the tank again, because we'll have another big work day coming in within the next couple of months as well, because we're going to have to lift up the chassis so that we can get the road wheels, the sprockets, and the track off as well, and the support arms and everything else to further go along, so that then we have a straight hull. Nothing else is in it, and then we can start from there, progressing further, getting sandblasting and everything else. But that'll be within the next several months. So within the next 5 months or so, we'll further progress along that time.
Yeah, well, sounds great. Thanks a lot for your time, Dave. Thanks for having us out.
Thanks, Johan. I really appreciate you guys being here again.
And you guys can check for links to the Facebook group and ways to donate in the description below. See you guys.